Having trouble with your Mint Mobile voicemail PIN? You're not alone. Since Mint Mobile uses T-Mobile's voicemail system, PIN issues can arise. If you can't access your voicemail, start by trying to reset the PIN yourself. First, dial 86 and attempt to enter your current PIN. If that doesn't work, look for a reset PIN option within the Mint Mobile app under voicemail settings. This will send a verification code to your device. If these steps fail, you'll need to contact Mint Mobile customer support at 1-800-683-7392 or via their chat feature. Make sure to have your account details ready for verification. Mint Mobile recommends using the app for accessing voicemail over dialing 86 for easier PIN management. Failed PIN attempts can temporarily lock your voicemail, so it's important to follow these steps carefully. If the basic PIN reset doesn't work, try clearing the Mint Mobile app's cache and restarting your phone. Ensure you're using a Mint Mobile SIM card and that your device is compatible with T-Mobile's network. If problems persist, it could indicate a larger network issue, though Mint Mobile typically resolves these quickly. Looking ahead, Mint Mobile may move towards AI-driven voicemail services like transcription and auto-summarization. The trend is shifting towards app-centric voicemail access with features like biometric unlocking, offering more secure and user-friendly alternatives. For now, PIN resets remain a crucial troubleshooting step, and staying updated with the latest Mint Mobile app version is recommended.